We are doing Surah An-Naziat. This is the surah. That is what you are memorizing. Just follow me for a while. Goodbye. So, first of all, Ta'awud, which is أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
So let us do today with Tajweed rules properly. So والنازعات غرقا.
والنازعات غرقا.
You remember when there is noon and meme has a shadda on it, we make nasal sound. We make gunna. This is just for like two letters, noon and meme. Whenever you see tashdid on them, you have to make gunna. What we do when we see tashdid on noon and meme, yes, we read with gunna, with nasal sound. Got it?
I
And ayn, we read from center of the throat properly with its original sound. And then next you see under that there is just a kasra, we don't stretch it out. And then ghor, ghain is a bow letter, the full mouth letter. If you remember that we have done kha, sad, gad, ghain, qa, qaf, wa. These seven letters we read in every condition bold. So here is a bold letter. Ghar, ghar, for rule, raw. For raw that if there is sukoon on raw, we are seeing here, and if there is sukoon on raw and the letter before raw has fatha or dhamma, you have to read raw bold. And the last letter, second last letter, which is off. Off is also from bold lattice. I have just told you before, and it has a double fatha. While stopping, we change into a single fatha. This is the rule for that. Okay, so again, وَالنَّازِعَاتِ غَرْقًا.
والنازعات غرقا.
Nice. Okay, okay, next now. After a circle, after one ayah is completed, then you can see there is tashdid on waw again. We don't read this. We don't consider this symbol. We're skipping. Next, we have noon. I have just told you right before in the first ayah, if there is tashdid on noon or on meme, we read with gunna. We read with nasal sound. And ta is a bold letter from, I've just told you at the beginning, Kha, Sad, Zod, Ta. Yeah, Ta is a bold letter. And then Ta, normal. Nash, Ta. Again, there are double fatha on Ta. If you want to stop, it must be changed into a single fatha like that. So, one nashitati,
والناشطات
nashta,
نشطا.
والناشطات نشطا.
والناشطات نشطا.
Good. Next, I've just told about it. There is tashdid after circle, and we stop on circle. We skip this tashdid here. So next is ba normal ha from center of the throat. It is letter from throat, and then sub. You remember we have done o ba jim dal. We have five letters. Whenever we see connecting sign, whenever we see jazam on them, we make equal sound, which is called qalqala. We make qalqala here, and then the rest is same double fatha. Double fathas are on ha, but if you want to stop, it must be changed into a single fatha. So والسابحات سبحا.
والسابحات سبحا.
Once again, والنازعات غرقا. The deep means that you should say properly. You should make a proper sound, a perfect sound for the letter. So, with the rules, you have to make ghunna, we have to make qalqala, we have to read letters bold, we have to make mads long. So this is about all of the rules here. So وَالنَّازِعَاتِ غَرْقًا
والنازعات غرقا
وَالنَّاشِطَاتِ نَشْطًا
والناشطات نشطا
وَالسَّابِحَاتِ سَبْحًا.
والسابحات سبحا.
Nice, very good.